Wrike, an online project management tool, enables you to monitor employees' progress, track status, and help you with the required information with the help of dashboards, all in one screen. This video is brought to you by Software Horsepower. So, the first step is to select the space for which one wants to define the dashboard. Here, let's select working on a space called Project and Program Management. One can use the dashboard on a daily basis to track the high-value projects on which your team is working on and see if anything is falling behind the schedule. A dashboard is a dynamic board that can be populated with a different list of tasks, projects, and files based on the specific criteria. These lists are called the widgets. Here, let's have a look to know how a dashboard can help. Suppose, the manager in a company, who is working on multiple projects wants a project dashboard to give a high-level view of projects and team dashboards, to provide the detail about the task progress made by the team members. This can be done by creating and clicking on the Tool Plus button, and dashboard is created. The next step is to create a dashboard name. Here, let's name the dashboard as Project Dashboard, and the space as Project and Program Management, and enter Create. After creating, the dashboard looks empty, so the user needs to click on the plus New Widget button on the top right to add a widget. Here, one can see all widgets and can choose a widget from the list or can create a custom one. Widgets have various options such as custom widget, project widget, files, that shows how many files have been addressed with the space. Active task by the assignee, one can check out the instant view for the list of the tasks. Tasks by the status, completed ongoing starred task, which one has done. Tasks assigned to a person, scheduler to do work today or in a week. My overdue tasks created, tasks to follow, and pending reviews, etc. Here, let's follow and add my pending reviews, and add to the dashboard. Also, one can work and add on the multiple widgets and add it to the dashboard. Like, assign a conflict monitor that tracks dependency-related conflicts such as tasks that are scheduled to finish after the milestone. Then, there is my backlog that sees the list of tasks without dates assigned and has active status. The next is activity streams that give instant updates from the stream tab right onto the dashboard. So, if one wants to see the project across all the projects for this month, one can choose the project widget. Click on Configure and name the project. Here, let's name it as Project Active. Now, define the location of the folder where the user wants to save it. Here, the location chosen is Project and Project Management. One can define the filters further, like status to all active and the finish date by this month. One can check and use different filters to work with. One can customize it based on work projects, project risk, and check how many have progressed, all in active mode. Further, below the left corner is Add to the dashboard. So, one can add as many new widgets, such as pending review, and can define the overdue task here and add it to the dashboard. So one can apply the filter according to their need, and also can customize their dashboard according to their work and projects. This helps one to define the track on the project and check out the delays too. Contact Software Horsepower for free demo and best offers. Visit softwarehorsepower.com.